Hey guys, it's Mr. Short again, and yeah, look what I did. I ripped my paper out how you guys do when you take home your homework. I made a mistake. It happens. No big deal. My teacher will still be able to see everything, even though I'm the teacher. But let's get into this. Hope this helps. Again, Eureka Math Squared, second grade, Module 2, Lesson 20, page 100, and nope, just 100. Nothing on the back today. 100 homework help. All right, let's get in this. Subtract. Show how you know. All right, so we have 137 minus 5. I'm going to do my favorite way to subtract, my favorite way to add, my favorite way when I start multiplying to make it a little easier. So I'm going to put my hundredths, my tens, and my ones. Now I'm going to break this number down like this and like this. All right? So when I break it down, I have 1 in the hundredths. So we're going to go 100. We're going to make a disc. We're going to go 3 tens, 1 10, 2 10, 3 tens. I'm going to go 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? All those numbers there, we have 1, 3, and 7. Now we have to subtract 5 from the ones. Is 5 smaller than 7? Yes, that means we don't have to borrow anything. We don't have to go next door. We can just go ahead and subtract this using our discs, nice and easy. So let's get rid of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now all you have to do is count. How many ones do you have left? Well, I have 2 ones left. I have 3 tens left. And I have 1 in the hundreds left. So my answer would be 132. And if you fill all this out, you're showing your teacher how you know. Let's look at the next one. I'm not going to do this whole one, but I'm going to help you set it up. So we do our place value chart. We got our tens. It's a bad S. You know what? I never make it this way. I'm going to do it how I normally do it. Your teachers might not do it the same, but that's how I do it. I put a T for tens. I put an O for ones. Okay. So we need 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle those. And we need 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So now we need to take away 8 ones. But 8 is bigger than 6. So we have to go next door. We're going to bring 10 over. So we're crossing that 10 out. That 10 is gone. It's now going to come over here and be 10 ones. Remember, when I bring them over, I like to make them look a little different so I know I brought them over. All right. Now, can I get rid of 8 ones? Yeah, I have more than 8 ones. Let's get rid of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Gone. If you want to make X's on them so you know they're gone, do that. Don't erase them because sometimes you erase extra stuff. Erase them is not a good idea because sometimes we actually erase extra stuff and we might make a mistake. Okay, so let's look at this again. See how many we have left. We got rid of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 gone. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 left. So we're going to put 8 there. And we go over to our 10 spot. We have 1, 2, 3 tens left. Remember, because we used that 1. So our answer is 38. Parents, if you're doing this and you're used to us doing it this way, let me show you how it's the same. Okay? I like to help parents out. I wasn't supposed to solve this home one. Sorry, I got on a roll. I missed being in second grade. So I did the whole thing. My bad. But parents, if you're watching, here's how this relates. All right? So we know we can't subtract. So we always borrow here. So we make this a 3. So that's borrowing. That's bringing this 10 over from here. So that's why we get that 3 here, because that's all that's left is the 3 here. When we look on this side, we're bringing 10 over. So when I make this 16 up top, that's the same as when I had the 6 here and added 10. And now I'm just subtracting like we've always done, the way we were taught. Again, parents, it's different. Trust me, this is easier. I promise you, I'm 48 years old. I learned I call this OPM, old people math, the way I learned it. And it's easier. All right. I hope this helps everyone. I hope you guys have a great night, and I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good night.